to wash her car. They didn't do it.
Who's car?
Who we've just been talking about?
Karen?
Yeah. Parts on driver stuff or another thing. It was washing, I'll wash it, but it didn't do it. The sort of thing you'd do it.
She says to me, she's at my all right leaving it on the road. I says, well, you are. I says, but if you want to pull it on drive, just park up at top, because then David can get out as well. She said, oh, are you sure? I said, yeah. We're not going to be here. I says, let me just pull out first.
Is it electric bike? Or is it not that? It's electric bike.
Going through on a red.
Yeah. Oh, it's red for us, but not.
Well, it's gone through on road, so it's a red.
Yeah. Well, don't apply to him, does it? Because he ain't got a number plate.
I wish somebody'd report this bloody caravan. Do you want me to walk back?
No way, yeah, actually, yeah, fuck on, we can fucking walk, you lazy son.
Can't think about help.
Yeah, all sorts.